Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Glauback and I'll be showing you how to search for colleges using Naviance. To get to Naviance, you're going to go to our Deer Park website, click on Parents, Students at the top, and then click on Naviance Family Connection. So once you're there, you're going to log in. Your username and password are the same as your Google account that you already use. It's the first three letters of your first name and your whole last name at deerparkschools.org, and your password is your student ID number and birth date. If you have any trouble logging in, you can always go down to guidance and see your counselor and we can help you log in or reset your password if we need to. So once you're logged in, this is the screen you're going to see. And to do our college search, there's a few different things that you can do, but for today we're going to use the SuperMatch College search. So at the top right, you're going to click on colleges and go to Find Your Fit and then SuperMatch College search. The SuperMatch College search, you can search for schools by location, cost, size, and other things that are important to you. You can categorize the schools that you're searching for into must-have or nice-to-have, depending on how important that criteria is to you. You can customize what you see and choose the information that you see in your results. Pin your favorite schools so that you can compare some of the colleges that you're interested in. And you can also just search for a school by typing in the name right here. Now I'm going to take you through an example to show you how this all works. So first you're going to click Select Criteria to start. And I wouldn't recommend adding a lot of criteria because then it'll narrow down your search too much and you won't have that many results. So we're going to just put in a few things here. We're going to search by location, and you can add any location that you're interested in, but for today, I'm going to just put in New York. You can also search by region or city, suburb, or whatever you're interested in. Next, for academics, for today, I'm going to put in that we're looking for bachelor's programs, which are 4-year programs. If you're looking for a 2-year program, you could put associates. And for majors, just for this example, I'm going to click accounting. I'm not going to put in a minor because, as I mentioned, that might narrow your search too much. So next, you can put in your SAT scores, you can put in your GPA. Some schools don't have GPAs listed, so I'm just going to put SAT scores for today. So just as an example, I'll put in 1100. And I'm going to leave the rest blank. Diversity, this is up to you if you'd like to include any of these options. For today, we're not going to. Institution characteristics. So again, institution type, I'm just going to click 4-year because we're looking for bachelor's programs. If you'd like to only see SUNY or CUNY schools, then you would just click public, but I'm going to leave it with both options for today. If you're interested in living on campus, then it's important that it has housing, so I'm going to click on campus housing. You can search for schools by cost, but I'm not going to put in anything here because you don't know if at the end of the day you're going to get any scholarships or financial aid, and that would lower the cost of these schools. Student life, if you're interested in any certain organizations, clubs, Greek life, fraternity, sorority, ROTC, you can include any of those options here. And athletics, you can choose to add a sport if you'd like to. You can put in the sport, you could put the division that you're interested in, and different resources. So if there's any of these options that you'd like the school to have. Okay. So we have that we are interested in schools in New York who have accounting, that are 4-year, and have on-campus housing. And the results, there are 108 institutions with a FIT score of 90% or above. You'll get a FIT score. This one, Molloy College, says 100% because it matches all of your criteria. So these are all 100% matches to what we put down. And if a school says less than 100%, you can click Y and it will tell you what criteria it does not have that you put down. If you'd like to compare some of the schools, you just click Pin to compare. So now Molloy is pinned. We can click Niagara University. And if you go down to the bottom to your pinned schools, you can compare pinned colleges. And put them side by side and compares them for you. So it makes it easy for you to see SAT scores, acceptance rate, all of this information. Now to search further, you can either go directly to a college's website, or what you could do is click on the school right through Naviance, and it gives you an overview of that college. The average price, and again, this does not include financial aid or scholarships. Graduation rate, acceptance rate, student to faculty ratio. It'll include the majors that it has, student life, admissions, and under admissions, you can also compare yourself to other students who have applied to Molloy. So we're just going to switch this to 1600 since that's what the SAT is out of now. And you can see where you fall compared to other students who have applied to Molloy. These are all students from Deer Park High School, so students that are similar to you. So all of the green checks are students who are accepted. So it looks like we would have a good chance of being accepted. The purple circles are students who are waitlisted, and the red X's are students who were denied. And you can hover over them and see their SAT score and GPA. So as I mentioned earlier, there are other ways to search for colleges through Naviance, but this is one that we recommend highly because it really narrows down the options that you're looking for in a college so that you get the best matches possible. Once you have your list of matches, it's important to go through, do more research, click on each school, and also visit the colleges that you're interested in. As always, if you have any questions, you can see your guidance counselor or visit the College and Career Center. Thanks for watching my video.